This thing's man. Okay, now I'm ready. Good morning, everybody. Ryan Kruesi Originals, and on today's episode, I'm going to be turning this clapper into a usable stunt bike. Probably still be a clapper when I'm done, but it's going to be nice and rideable. Stay posted, like, subscribe, ring that bell, and tell a friend, because you never know. It's going to be the coolest thing you've ever seen. This is somewhere early 2000s T-Sport. That's right, this is a legitimate T-Sport. It's not going to be anymore, because the trees are toast, the cartridges are toast, the front end is toast, the rear fender is toast, pretty much everything on it is f***ing toast. But if you guys have been following my truck project that I've been building, you can check that out. I'll put a link up here if I can figure it out. Once that truck's done, the videos are still coming out because that was like 5 weeks worth of videos we got to put out. But I got it done, drove it to the alignment shop, and on the way home, the rear end blew up. So the owner of this bike's name's Kyle. He works for AZ Rack and Axle, which is like the spot to have a axle and stuff built in Arizona. They're the shit. So he hit me up and he's like, yo, I got this bike. It needs a front end. The front end's bent. Can you get it running for me again, and I'll fix your rear end? So he rebuilt the rear end that I had, which is toast. And then I saw the bike and was like, wow, there's a lot more this bike needs. So I'm gonna build this bike, and he's building me a custom 14 bolt that's gonna be all gusseted and braced and all that fancy stuff for doing pre-runner hardcore stuff. I'm trying to get that truck done in time to take it to LS Fest in Vegas. Harley Performance invited us out to bring it and run the pre-runner track that's gonna be out there and see if I can jump it. I'm gonna kind of go through this bike today, and we're gonna dig through the back room, which is gonna be a beautiful little treasure hunt through a mountain of unorganized shit. And I'm gonna try and find everything I can that we have here that I can put on this bike, and then I'm gonna put a list together of things that I need to build this bike and get it done. But first off, we just gotta fix it. The rear shocks are toast, the front end is toast. The front end, it really sucks because it's a cartridge front end. It ain't like I can just reuse the internals. They're probably smoked. Took the DX fork tubes that we had and I turned them into a bong. Lo and behold, now I need them. What do you know? Is what it is. First off though, let's take a walk back to the old room. Man, you can change that tire. I'm saying we need to find some tubes. Ooh, there might be a set of handlebars. They're a little whack, but they'll work. I need to be able to build an exhaust out of some stuff back here. Oh, this is just a bunch of shit. Oh yeah, I got fork tubes for days. Yeah. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. I got trees, I got tubes. Well, I think we'll start with that. I think I can build an exhaust too. I got enough shit to like piece that exhaust together. Let's go next door, start ripping shit apart. I know I got fork tubes, that's a plus. I need fork tubes, that's the main thing. And then we'll kind of figure it out from there. Take all this shit to powder coat next time we go.
Yeah, man.
It does bolt that cap there, but...
Is that the YouTube? The YouTube?
It is.
Hi, guys. I'm on YouTube.
All right, I'm gonna start tearing stuff apart. That T-Sport fairing's gonna go straight in the trash. I know people are gonna get all upset about it and stuff, but it is trash. Gauges are gonna go in the trash. They're smoked. Get some of these wood screws out of here. Nothing says custom like wood screws. Oh my God. Can you see back there how long that screw is and what's going on with it? Jesus, Murphy. I just pissed off 1700 Dyna Bros right there. Look at how this motherfucker was bolted on here. The bolts broke off, but somebody was running it like this. And who says dope fiends don't work on Harley Davidsons? Unreal. Oh yeah, lovely. From the smell of this gas tank, I bet it's got some really good shit inside of it. Come on, man, I just put one washer on there, and I thought, you know, maybe I'll put another one on there, and I was like, well, I probably need another washer. And I had 4 laying on the floor, so I mean, I gotta put the extra ones on there because you never know. Ah, you know why there were so many washers on the bottom one? Because they put the bottom one on the top, because this one only had, you know, this much thread engagement, and the bottom one they just stacked a shitload of washers on instead of going, man, I think these are backwards. But when you've been up for like 6 or 7 days straight, it's hard to decipher which one's, you know, front and back to front. Oh, there's no, oh my God, that's gonna be fun. That's water. You notice it doesn't even smell like gas when it came out? Does it smell like gas from there, Jake?
Nope.
That shit smells gnarly now. This is definitely the most tweaker ass motorcycle I've ever seen in my life. I just took the lawnmower gas cap off the gas tank. It's either off a lawnmower or maybe a
Weed
92 Buick LeSabre.
It's like in a loop in the frame up here. I got nothing back here.
Hear the smell of this old gas. Sorry if you guys gotta listen to the fan. I know it's gonna be loud in the microphone, but it is gnarly in here. I don't know if I'm getting high off the f***ing gas or the mushrooms, but something. We got any kind of bars around? The piece of strap metal that was holding the f***ing front master cylinder, the handlebars, was the most impressive part.
Oh, Simpson strong ties, dude, killer. Still
But-
that from somebody's Jeep.
It's so I got new trees on it, handlebars and risers, but your fork legs are f***ed. Like I have fork legs and everything here to build a front end, but I don't have anything to build a dual disc front end. I can get you all set up, but it'll be like single disc instead of dual disc.
Okay. As long as it stops.
Yeah, it'll be all nice. I think I have all powder coated shit ready to go, so it'll look real nice. Your fucking tubes are so bent, I can't even get them apart. So they're just, I'm not even gonna waste the time with them. I'm gonna pitch them, but yeah, so far she's fresh. I'm gonna get the front end back to rolling. Then I'm gonna take it outside and pressure wash the shit out of it and kind of just keep putting it together. I also have some like 12-inch shocks here. They're shorter, but your rear shocks are both bent as f***, so these at least kind of get you down the road till you get some good shit.
Right.
And then I'm gonna build the rear fender, and we ordered a custom seat. The seats take like 2 months though. They're like 6 to 8 weeks, so that's not gonna be here for a while. But no, I take that back. I have a seat here for you right now. I'm gonna
Fucking gangster.
I'm gonna.
That was an emotional roller coaster.
Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna replace another bike that we're building right now. So I just built a motor for a guy. He has a custom seat on it already, but he's got to put 1,000 miles on the thing. So I'm gonna put this slick ass seat so he can't ride wheelies on it. And I'm gonna take his seat and put it on your bike, and then I'll give him the other one when it comes in.
Beautiful. You're the man, brother.
Other than that, I think we're just kind of moving forward. The whole gas tank was full of cat piss, it looked like. I'll clean that out today. I think I might have shit here to put together an exhaust too, maybe, kind of make something happen.
Oh, that would be sick.
Yeah, you've got Screaming Eagle exhaust on it, which it looks whack, but it's actually pretty good performing exhaust. But I've got some.
Another one at home too that I was on my 95.
I've got some head pipes and shit in the back that, like, a couple cracked ones or something I can weld up, you know, and then make a bracket and make something happen. It's gonna be a while. This thing needs a lot of work, so just fucking bear with me. I'm gonna keep plugging away on my spare time and get as much of it done as I can. I'm trying to get it back to a roller today is my plan. Hell yeah. All right, well, I'll be in touch. I'm gonna keep plugging away on this thing. We're filming a video with it right now, so you're gonna be fucking YouTube famous before you know it.
Hey, you're a gangster, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Hell yeah, dude. I'll be in touch.
All right.
Yeah, but beautiful. I don't have to f with those cartridges. I have fork legs up there that are black. Let's find some tubes that are all the same length and see what I can come up with. I know I don't have any springs. Wish I had 49mm shit that I could put on the front of this. That would be dope. That's a huge fucking job and a pain in the ass, but oh well. I already did this. I'm gonna get back to it. Ugh! There's a fucking set of brand new fucking fork tubes back here, not even open. Brand new. Chrome master cylinder with the fucking lever on it. God damn. I didn't find anything I needed, but I did find some things. I found some things that are mind-blowing. I did find a pack of new throttle cables.
When did things go wrong? Tell me, mama, when did things go wrong? Tell me, mama, when did things go wrong? Well, I'm hurting now, but I won't be hurt long. You made me leave you.
If you want to get a new one, just probably find fucking 50 or 60 of them at the next Blake Shelton concert.
The tip of my exhaust fell off. If you saw that video, you saw that video.
Big exhaust tip. Big old Blake Shelton! Woo, play some Blake Shelton! It's like saying I listen to country rap without saying I listen to country rap. Boy band pop song, but he talked like he had a fake accent, you know, that he trained real well growing up in San Clemente. That's where all the boy bands from the 90s and 2000s went. Boy band music never died, just went to CMT. Just because I sing with a southern drawl don't mean I'm country at all. Comment down below if you think pop country is just the new boy band. NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, that whole shit just went over to pop country. That's all country is now, is just a bunch of super words I can't use boy bands. I love country music, and pop country is just the degenerate downfall of just the lamest shit there ever was. It's everybody that couldn't make it in the pop world, so they go to the old country world because it's easier. Because, man, what was that chick you just played for me? Katie Noel. Trent just showed me a video. That is probably the most hideous, horrendous shit I've ever seen music-wise in my entire life. I need to fight that somehow. How can I take pop country down? Comment down below. What would be a good way for me to take down the pop country world? I'm thinking about running for president 2024. Ryan Kruesi, president 2024. I promise you right now, if you elect me for president, I will soul-handedly crush pop country into oblivion. I won't, like, ban it or jail him or anything. I'm country, I'm fucking redneck, and I'm on fire now. Oh my God, haha, you're burning. I need a pair of women's jeans on from 2006 though. I need some 2006 fat stitch women's jeans from Buckle. Big buckle, never rode a rodeo in my entire goddamn life, but I gotta have the buckle for it, which I got a pretty big belt buckle too, but I got it from something else. But I mean, I'm gonna talk like this even though I'm from Temecula. Get me a country twang, yard. God, I hate pop country. I like to drink and chew and be on red dirt roads, and I just have a diesel with a giant tip on it. That's where this came from. Trent had that giant fucking country bro tip on his diesel that I've been riding his ass about, and it finally fell off. He thought somebody stole it. I'm like, nobody stole that shit, dude. It fell off.
Someone stole it.
No, they didn't.
Someone stole it.
No, they didn't. Well, maybe some fucking New River High School kid stole it from you, but
Probably.
the New River Cowboys. I apologize to anyone that I offended out there that likes pop country. I'm sorry for your horrible taste. I apologize. Back to this motorcycle project I'm working on. The front end store part. I found some chrome fork legs over here. I'm going to put those on. I got everything I need except for springs, so I guess I could put the legs all together and the tubes together, and I can put it in there and just drop the springs in when they come in. Handlebars are wired up. All that shit is done. I got to put a clutch lever and a master cylinder on it. Some brake lines. Ah, God, I got plenty of work to do still. I was kind of hoping I didn't have anything to do so I could call it a day. You ever get like so mad about something it just kind of takes the wind out of your sails and you can't come down from it? That's what pop country does to me. Cause I'm a pop country fan. I got a spray on Farmer's Tan. Oh, I fucking just nailed a hit right there. I think that's it. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. We're gonna call it a day. This thing's coming together. She's black and chrome up front. Looks a lot better than it did. It's straight at least. This is coming all together with mostly takeoff parts, a new set of tubes. We got some race techs for the inside on the way. Some FXR dampener rods. They're the tall ones. They're pretty nice. It's gonna be kind of tall on the front, which is just fine because eventually it's gonna get some tall shocks on the back. We got a long ways to go. Tomorrow we're gonna get back at it. That'll be a whole nother video, all that good stuff. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, go to our Patreon, follow that shit. We give lots of stuff away. That's where all of our podcasts and things are. And March 10th, the giveaway bike goes live for every $100 you donate to the Coast to Coast. It's Coast X Coast Foundation, coastxcoast.org. Get you a chance to win that bike, and all that money goes to get PTSD and TBI treatment for vets coming home from combat that desperately need that kind of stuff, and they're not getting it from the government. So we're trying to do what we can to get that for them, and it's a good cause, and it's all tax deductible. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Pop country sucks. Peace!